What's up guys, it's Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to replace the levers on your HD touring bike. Today I have the Kuryakyn Iso Levers, and it's a pretty quick install. Fortunately, both of these are hydraulic, so there's no cables or anything like that to reroute. And the tools that you'll need are either some pliers, some circlip pliers, or if you don't have those, or if they may not fit, two small like needle nose picks. Okay, so this little circlip holds the bottom of this pin that holds your lever on. So using your pliers or picks, whatever you have, simply spread this apart and let this drop. That'll allow us to pull this pin straight through and remove the lever. With your new Kuryakyn lever, simply put it in place and use that same pin that you pulled out and route it through. Use that circlip that you pulled off and reverse the process by spreading and clamping on. Okay, after we get that circlip off, the brake lever actually goes behind this housing a bit, so we need to take the whole perch off. It's not too bad. There's just two torque 25s back here. We need to undo those and remove the perch. Doing so will get you access to the lever, which is hidden behind that perch there. It's a pretty quick install, and it really changes both the look and feel of your ride. Head over to jpcycles.com and make sure you insert your bike on the bike finder to ensure proper fitment when you order your levers.